Welcome back to Shib, everyone. Shiba Inu burn is confirmed by Google's CEO prepare to never work again. The news on Monday at South by Southwest hours, following the demise of Silicon Valley banks, which threatened the viability of most tech businesses. Hundreds of festival attendees filed into a virtual Zen escape complete with charming bamboo and cherry tree forests that swayed in the wind, as well as an iconic monument honoring the Japanese hunting dog breed known as the Shiba Inu, which was given the name W. Agmi Temple in reference to the cryptocurrency catchphrase "We're all going to make it." It provided a break from the collapsing financial ecosystems and the first glimpse at the metaverse being constructed by the creators of the cryptocurrency Shiba Inu. In this video, we'll discuss CEO of Google affirms that Shiba Inu burn prepare to never work again. For the most recent information on expert analysis and price predictions for Shiba Inus, please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with others. Now let's start the video. Decentralization of cryptocurrency and bank runs like Fridays is unavoidable as more people become aware of this and choose to diversify. That 5% global adoption number increases. Shoshir Kusama, the enigmatic lead developer of Shiba Inu, who goes only by his pseudonym and uses an avatar of a hooded figure in a long cloak, tells Fast Company via Google Meet that he has turned off his video camera and is typing into a chatbot without speaking aloud. He sings banks' fractional reserves. Web3 evangelists remain a specialized subset of Twitter users, but among cryptocurrency enthusiasts, Dean's Ship may inspire the most cult-like following. Founded 2.5 years ago, the token began as a joke idea to create a Dogecoin killer to surpass the rival meme-based token Dogecoin. However, its devoted supporters, known as the Army, couldn't have been more serious together. Together, they slingshot at shibainu into a top 10 cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of $44 billion. It was the third most Googled cryptocurrency globally. Now, Shibu is taking its biggest leap yet with its layer to blockchain called Shib, which rolled out in beta last week along with a set of new tokens in preparation for a flagship metaverse Shib the Metaverse, which will open with its first virtual storefront for rock and roll fashion designer John Richam. Shibu also won shoutouts from Ethereum founder of Italic Buttering and crypto influencer Elon Musk. What started as glib trolling by the meme crowd has grown to 3.6 million followers on cryptocurrency Twitter, who are also some of the loudest on the platform, quick to pile onto news blasts. The strange legend surrounding Shiba Inus adds to their allure. Their founder, Rosie, was also a mystery until abruptly disappearing from the internet last summer. Ironically, his cat-shaped avatar vanished from the discords for good, but he left behind traces. While Shoshi's NFT sales cash is spent elsewhere, the team has not yet decided on the tokenomics for Leash and Bone or if they will keep a share. They decline to disclose whether they take a cut of the transaction fees from shibaswaps, which they have not raised. Rashi left behind a roadmap, which Shoshir joined after the token had racked up 6,000 wallets. However, before Musk's tweet centage skyrocketing has been following ever since. The ship's greatest asset is its community, a term that appears frequently in blog posts, tweets, and magazine interviews. As Marcy Gatto, lead advisor for the Metaverse Ship, tells Fast Company, even as they map out the metaverse, they're taking into account feedback from the Ship Army. The team hired a company to build it using Unreal Engine software, but they don't have a creative director. Instead, they create concept art in black and white sketches, publish the drafts on a blog, and wait for social media activity before making constant adjustments to color and render in 3 dimensions. The first of the 11 zones under development, the WMI Temple, is an unspoiled fantasy land complete with grazing deer and outdoor yoga. The community even extends to other metaverses like Decentral and the Sandbox or Yuga Labs' other side, which is typically seen as competition, but Jastro insists that the pioneers must come together for a space as meaningful and transformative as the metaverse. She compares it to the early days of virtual reality, saying that while it might seem overly friendly, particularly during the lean times of the cryptocurrency winter, when venture capital funding has frozen over and survival feels more cutthroat than ever, Jastro is not incorrect. The idea that Mark Zuckerberg gambled his company's name on after its metaverse division posted a $13.3 billion loss in 2022 to Cent Central, and arguably the leader in the space, has only 8,000 daily active users. Late last year, Grayscale's Decentraland ETF was trading at a discount of 60 cents on the dollar. Various metaverse coins are down by as much as 80%, with a total of 589 trillion tokens in circulation and a price of 0.00000001. Whatever is good for one may not be suitable for all, because every metaverse struggles to sell people on the pitch of living in Web 3 or even a 3D Web 2. With its present market capitalization of $6 billion, Shibu would have an amazing implied valuation of $589 trillion, much above even the gross domestic product, if the token were to hunt for a value of $1 per token as previously projected. Shiba Inu's most recent developments keep making headlines. Due to the increased demand for Shiba Inu has become more and more popular among investors who are drawn to its potential for large returns. Because of its current low price and high potential rewards, many cryptocurrency enthusiasts are drawn to investing in Inu, a unique cryptocurrency driven by millennials. Shibu, the token powering the second largest meme coin, flew 15% to trade at $0.000000120 at the time of writing. Of course, any serious investor will realize that such a price would not be attainable without drastic reductions in supply. Prior to the correction below 0.0000001, which coincided with the trend line, the Shibu price indicated that the trend was poised to shift northward when it retested the crucial declining trend line support earlier in March. Despite the recent double-digit surge, Shib had emerged in January, rising 96% to a new yearly high of 0.00000011576 by early February. A few boxes need to be taken by Shibu before investors can be certain that a new bull market has begun. Shiba Inu, the second most popular meme coin with a market capitalization of $6.6 billion, is currently trading at 0.00000001120. In the past day, its trading volume has increased by 30% to $321 million, suggesting that investors are building up more money in anticipation of a much larger price move in the coming days. However, the 100-day exponential moving average currently caps price movement below 0.126. A break above this key moving average is still necessary for SHIB to sustain the important momentum metrics, such as the convergence of the moving average after the market as a whole and Shiba Inu were dumped owing to Silicon Valley Bank's failure. Divergence revealed a resolute bullish face. In anticipation of the Federal Reserve's decision on a potential interest rate hike on March 22, buyers are determined to hang on to their gains, especially during this week's recovery. The MACD flashed a buy signal on the daily time frame chart, and it continues to do so on the 4-hour chart while remaining above the mean line. The price of the Shiba Inu is above the 100-day moving average, 100 EMA, which is located at 0.111 on the 4-hour chart. Keep in mind that the 100 EMA is the daily chart's immediate resistance. A daily close above 0.111 could indicate that support is still in place and that the path with the least amount of resistance is upward. That concludes today. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. To view our most recent content, please like and subscribe to the channel.